motorcycle?
What did you say, Emma?
Why does he have a motorcycle?
What do you mean?
Why does he have a motorcycle in the back of his truck?
I don't know.
I could no. Motorcycle right inside his truck. Dad, why do you have a motorcycle? How did you swap his motorcycle?
Not yours.
Did you get it for what? Oh my God, it's so small. Is it for us?
Yeah, hop down there.
I'm excited. Well,
Are you
there's
excited?
another Christmas present. Today, we got it today. Today, Angel, come on, tell her what. Today, Dad gave us a motorcycle, and we really wanted it for Christmas. Yeah, also, it's so small, and we can ride it every night too. I'm so excited. What do you got? Oh, yeah, on it. Dad. Don't ride it. Is it electric?
No, it's gas. You want to hold this for a second?
Here, I'll hold the phone. I can.
Here, let me
I
pop.
can. I can.